진짜 들어가야
그럼
되는데.
민정이가 해봐.
진짜요?
잘 나오면 그걸로 쓰고.
진심?
I was involved in the Where Are My Girls At that part.